Little Owl Kitchen Time. Stuffed vegetables with rice or quinoa. First, we prepare the leafy vegetables that are needed for the filling. This includes dill, parsley, and coriander leaves. Cut the leaves into very small pieces after washing. Cut the vegetables that we will stuff in half and make a hole in the middle. For the pepper, we don't need to make a hole. We just take the bottom half instead. Keep the parts that you took out of the vegetables, as they can be used in making appetizers, or you can put them under the stuffed vegetables so they don't stick to the pot. In my case, I made appetizers. I put water, salt, and pepper on the scooped out parts of the vegetables, and then I boiled them. After that, I drain the water away and add chopped garlic and lemon juice to them. Next, I cut the onions and tomatoes into small pieces. Add onions, tomatoes, and the leafy vegetables to the rice or quinoa. Then, add salt and pepper as you please. Mix the stuffing. Put the stuffing inside the zucchini, eggplant, and pepper. Leave enough space because the rice or quinoa will get bigger as it cooks. Cut a bunch of leaves from a grapevine or get them from the store. Put them in hot water until it becomes dark. Then I put the stuffing on the grape leaf and folded it. After you finish stuffing all the grape leaves, pour in 2 cups of water and add a little fat. Close the pot with a tight lid or aluminum foil and put in the oven for an hour. Add tomato sauce when serving.